Good morning, everyone. Myself Dinesh, Assistant Professor working at SNS College of Technology, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. And in our previous video, we have saw the importance of solar radiation, solar energy utilization comparatively with other renewable energies. And then we saw the solar constant, and then we saw the solar radiation. Okay, in today's session we are going to see the radiant energy. Okay, the reception of radiant energy. The radiant imprints on the surface of the body may be partially absorbed and transmit and partially reflected as shown. Okay, as you see in this picture, the sun emits the energy. The sun emits the solar radiation, and then it reaches the earth. Only 46% of the energy is absorbed by the earth. Okay, the only 46% of the solar sun's radiation will reach the earth, which was absorbed by the earth, and 6% of energy reflected by the earth's surface. Okay, so these 6% of the energy will reach the sun and it will get reflected. Okay, so then we can also see the 4% of energy absorbed by clouds. Okay, so these 4% will not reach the earth, and another 17% of energy reflected by clouds. Okay, so this 70% of energy will also will not reach the earth, but it will get reflected on the cloud itself. Okay, and the 8% of the energy dispersed in the atmosphere, and 19% of energy by the vapor, ozone, dust, and etc. So we know in space we have a lot of materials like ozone layer and dust particles and other substances. Those things will absorb the 19% of the sun's radiation. So comparatively, when we see, the earth can only be absorbed only around approximately 50% of the sun's radiation. Okay, so in other means, we can also say that the sun will act as a nuclear. Okay, see, these are the atoms present in the sun, which will obviously produce energy. Okay, we know what nuclear fission and fusion is. Okay, so by the energy, 19% of the energy is absorbed by the materials, foreign materials, and the 8% of energy is dispersed in the atmosphere. Only 17% reflected by the cloud, 4% is absorbed by the cloud, 6% is reflected by the earth's surface, and we totally get only 46% of energy, which will be absorbed and which can be used for a future. Okay, so the fraction of the incident radiation absorbed is called the absorptivity, and similar fraction of the incident radiation reflected is called the reflectivity, and the fraction transmission is called the transmissibility. Okay, so these are the three terms which we have to consider in solar radiant energy. Okay, so this is the overall view of radiant energy, and I hope you understood the concept of the solar radiation and how much percentage it can be used when it compared to all the other sources. Okay, and thank you for your time, and in the next class we will see the other principles which are relevant to the solar energy. Thank you.